Turn the engines off and feel the wind fill your sails as we venture back in time. Feel the wind in your sails as our crew entertains your imagination with Hawaiian legends and history. Nobody sails more, and it's not uncommon to reach speeds of 20 knots or more. Sail the legendary Napali coast aboard Leila, our 50-foot Kauai-made sailing catamaran, and witness the beauty of Napali's 4,000-foot cliffs, cascading waterfalls, sea caves, secluded beaches, dolphins, turtles, and breathtaking scenery, all of which make the Napali known as the jewel of Hawaii and the 8th wonder of the world. To top off your experience, your captain will anchor the boat offshore and you'll have a chance to do some snorkeling in a shallow tropical reef. Experience the picturesque cliffs, contrasted by deep green valleys and lush waterfalls. Its breathtaking beauty is guaranteed not to be surpassed.
Aloha! This is Captain Glenn. At Holo Holo Charters, we always strive to provide the safest and best ocean experience available while creating memories that will last a lifetime. We pride ourselves on the experience and pure aloha friendliness of our captains and crew.
A special mahalo to Jim Kima West,